Hey guys, for those of you that have been wanting an Lt1 24X update, I've got some good news for you guys. I got it started. So, I did just recently get it started. The Lt1 24X system is a freaking dream from TorqueHead. It works really well. Only a couple issues I ran into was I used to have the Lt1 two-step system in it that ran off the old system from MSD. So now I've got to figure out how to either modify that or get a different harness for the LS1 ECU that I'm running in it to get the two-step to work. Because of course, you got to have two-step. Other than that, now it's just time to do some fine-tuning, move some things around, make sure everything is in place appropriately, and then we're going to go get a tune at a local shop. So, really excited. The car runs actually a lot better. I've done some tweaking since then too. I've got a old catch can in it, which I did a video on. I'll post that link above. And new intake setup, just new sensors all around, just to make sure everything's good. New water pump. And overall, we're in a really good place. So if you want to keep following the 240SX build with the Lt1 24X conversion, hit that sub button, comment below, let me know what you guys want to see on the build. The plan is for it to either be a drift car or a time attack car, and honestly I kind of want to do both because I'm just a little crazy. But like the video, comment if you thought this was helpful. If you want to see more information on the 240SX, comment below, let me know what you guys want to see. I'm totally open to sharing. Once we get this car wrapped up and dialed in, I'm going to take it to a body shop, get a couple quotes on paint job, paint work, and really get this thing looking right. I've been building it for quite some time. When I was really young, almost 18 years old, I started this build. And so I've just been learning a lot throughout my build, to be honest. And so happy to share that with you guys and look forward to chatting more about it. Also, I forgot to mention, if you guys want to see more content on the 240SX or any of the other builds, follow me on TikTok, guys. I post there pretty much daily. Cold starts, everything, little quick tutorials, quick information on TikTok at Quick Collections Garage, on YouTube, Quick Collection, on the other channels as well. So feel free to follow. I'll leave the link below in the description. If you guys have any questions, let me know.